Hey guys, great news. So I'm hosting my first Mother's Day cooking class. You don't have to be a mom. It is open to everyone, but I am doing it on the day before Mother's Day. So we are giving it a Mother's Day theme with a nice, beautiful, wonderful meal prepared for your mom. Okay, so you can make it with your mom or you can make it ahead of time, deliver it to your mom, whatever you want to do. It's going to be hosted on Facebook groups. It's super easy to join. You're just going to go to our page, which is once you pay, that becomes our page. The Mother's Day event page becomes our page, and you can message me there. And then also the link to join the class the day of will be in our messages. It's super easy to get to. I'm also going to add the link in the bio because anyone can join. You don't have to be on Facebook in order to purchase your ticket. So I'm going to add the link below. So look for that. But this is just a gallery of some of the amazing food that I've created. And if you guys don't know, I am super fun. If you follow me on TikTok, you already know how much fun we have. But this is the opportunity for us to see each other and cook together. So here is the menu and the flyer again. And I really hope to see you guys there. So go get your tickets now. I only have 25 available. That's it. Just 25.